Taylor here with Agri Drones. I'm going to show you guys how to calibrate the auto mixer system and just generally how to operate the screen, operate the pumps. So we'll come over here where the lighting's a bit better so I can show you guys a bit about the system, and then we'll run a calibration. Okay, so when you guys boot up your system, you're going to have this screen here. Now again, yours may look a bit different than mine. Mine is on a bit different update than yours will be, and yours, you'll have a new update for yours available soon. But anyways, it'll look just like this. This is your setup screen. So if we go back, this is our main screen here. You can see our menu with our different apps. So we've got our pump control. This is how you actually control each pump manually. You can change the RPM of each pump to control it manually. This is how you calibrate as well. So if you want to run pump 1 in reverse to empty it out at 200 RPM, you click that, click this on. Now pump 1 is running in reverse. You can run them all in batch by turning on whichever ones you want to run, just like that. And then you have your batch actions up here. You can run them all in reverse at 200 RPM to empty out all of your lines that way. Okay, so if we go back, you'll see that we've got a product screen here. This screen is where we add and edit products and where we put the calibration factors for each product. More on that later. This is our report screen here. So whenever you run a batch, a report will generate, and this is kind of like just a brief summary of that batch. There are more details in here about the products as well, just not on this screen. You can export from this screen to get those details onto a USB drive. And then up here in the top right, this is our settings. This is where you adjust your date and your time. You can also connect to a Wi-Fi network and do an update. It's important not to update unless we tell you to update, because sometimes we're testing things on the system and an update might be available, but it will mess up your system. So don't do any updates unless we tell you to.